Welcome to the second session of the today's lecture. We are discussing the fuzzy inference system. It is also known as a fuzzy rule-based system, fuzzy model, and the fuzzy expert system. The basic objective of the fuzzy inference system is the decision making. हम किसी भी टाइप के प्रॉब्लम को फuzzy inference system में देते हैं and then a relevant appropriate decision is taken by the fuzzy inference system. Here, basically, the input can be crisp or fuzzy, but the output is always a fuzzy set. But when FIS is used as a controller, अगर हम FIS को controller की तरह use करेंगे, then the output must be a crisp output. So we need to convert this fuzzy output into a crisp output. So we require a defuzzification unit. Now let's see the functional block of fuzzy inference system. A fuzzy inference system consists of a 5 functional block. It contains a rule base where all the statements are arranged in the form of a if-then rules. It contains a database that defines the membership function of the fuzzy set. There is a decision making unit that performs the operation on the rules, and we have a fuzzification interface unit which convert the crisp value into the fuzzy value, and we have a defuzzification unit that convert the fuzzy value into the crisp quantity. So basically ये 5 कंपोनेंट है जिसको मिलाकर हम फजिफिकेशन इंटरफेस सिस्टम FIS बनाते हैं. एंड यहाँ पे a database and a rule base. We have a combination of database and a rule base जिसको हम लोग knowledge base भी बोलते हैं. Now let's see the working methodology of the fuzzy inference system. Here initially there is a fuzzification unit जहाँ पे हम लोग input देते हैं. अगर आप crisp में दे रहे हो then the purpose of the fuzzification unit is to convert it into a fuzzy unit, fuzzy quantity, और अगर आप fuzzy में दे रहे हो then it will take the fuzzy value. After this process, then a rule base is formed. Database and rule base are collectively known as a knowledge base. Database में क्या रहता है, हमारे membership value रहता है fuzzy set के. We store the fuzzy value into a we store the membership value of the fuzzy set. और रूल बेस क्या है कि हमारे जो भी स्टेटमेंट्स हैं उन सब को हमने इफ देन रूल्स के फॉर्म में वहाँ पे अरेंज करके रखा हुआ है, और जो भी कंक्लूजन है इधर दे आर associated in the form, they are connected with the and or operator. तो जब हम डेटाबेस एंड रूल बेस को एक साथ रखते हैं देन इट इज नोन एज अ नॉलेज बेस. एंड फाइनली वी हैव अ डीफजिफिकेशन यूनिट जिसका काम रहता है कि फजी वैल्यू को क्रिस्प वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट करना. सो हाउ in this way a fuzzy inference system work. Now let's see the block diagram of the fuzzy inference system. Here this is a fuzzification interface unit from where we provide the input. This is a fuzzification interface unit where we provide the input, and we have this is your knowledge base which consists of database and a rule base. Then we apply this knowledge base into the given input, and then a decision is taken, and then once the decision is taken then the decision is in the form of a fuzzy value. then we have to convert it into the crisp value. So we have a defuzzification interface unit where we convert the fuzzy value into the crisp value. There are two types of fuzzy inference system. These are your Mamdani FIS and Sugeno FIS. These two methods will be discussed in detail in my next lecture. Thank you.